Hi, I'm Nathaniel. I'm originally from the Netherlands. I live in China where I manage Jade's IT development and security department, along with my colleague Chris, who's based in the UK and travels back and forth to China. Our mission is, simply speaking, data protection with a focus on IP protection. IP protection is a big concern these days, particularly in our line of work. I just want to quickly reassure you that IP protection is something we take very seriously. We don't cut corners and use cutting-edge technology to ensure that your data is safe. We use AES encryption methods when storing and transferring data and follow industry standard best practices, including limiting access on a need-to-know basis. If you send any data to Jade, I can assure you it will be protected, and if you have any questions at all about our IT or IP protection methods, feel free to contact me at any time and we'll be happy to answer.